Welcome students to day 4 of 50 NEET challenge. Let's learn from electrostatics. We know the electric field because of a uniformly charged hollow conducting sphere for any outside point is given by the expression q upon 4 pi epsilon naught x square, where x is the distance from the center to that outside point, and the variation graph of the electric field with distance goes like this. If you see carefully in the graph, the electric field is 0 from 0 to r, which means there is no electric field within the hollow conducting sphere given here. Why is it so? According to the Gauss law, if the net enclosed charge within the Gaussian surface is 0, the net electric field from that surface will also be 0. Same principle is applicable here. If you draw an imaginary Gaussian surface within this hollow conducting sphere, the net charge enclosed is 0 because all the charge will reside on the surface of the conducting hollow sphere. As there is no enclosed charge within this Gaussian surface, the net electric field will also be 0. Hence, the electric field at every point inside the hollow conducting sphere is 0. And the same principle is applicable even if it is a solid conducting sphere. Why is it so? Check your answer with the answer given in the description box and stay tuned for many more videos. Thank you.